in the white. Auntie Cutie is right there. People live here. This, okay, this I don't know, all inclusive. That's another thing. People live here. This is where people live. A people house them there. Right. So if you're sitting and dining here, this is what you're gonna do. That's your view. Remember I told you we went swimming already? Yeah, because you can actually swim right here. That's where we were swimming just now, right? That's all. So you can dine here, swim here, everything. Wifey and baby girl in the bathroom right now. Them are changing them clothes and get ready to come out. And then we're gonna jump on the road and head to Clarendon next. But it's a spectacular view. And I tell you, this is my kind of place. This is it. You know what's crazy? What's crazy is every time we come to Jamaica, I say, you find a new piece of place to fall in love with. That's crazy. Yeah, there's so many different places to fall in love with. But I think I find one next new one. And I try that so. Alright. So come Papa. Alright, so on our way out, I'll give you the name one more time. Alright, that's all. That's Blue. Get there. And that's what it look like on the way out. You ready, Auntie Cutie?
I'm ready.
Alright. I'm ready, man. No Shakira on there though. She'll be there. And didn't know this was here like this. Check the view. A whole heap of lookout points there. And like I said before, for this place you can dine all upstairs. So you can see the upstairs dining right there. Downstairs there. Come out and swim there. Beach. Soft sand beach too. Jamaica, Jamaica. I'm coming into the yard. Good. Yeah. I'm back out here. I better drop in on to Cutie. What time it is? 8:25 in the morning. 8:25 in the morning. See the yard. Why? Jamaica can remind you how far and stressful. When I cuss for morning, bathing I go on. God, sun is kissing me. Somebody.
a bottle in the water, Papa Pot.
There's smoke coming over here. I can see your smoke coming over here. I can see your smoke coming over here. I can see it. You're gonna get sick.
Full of water.
I don't wanna tie you up now. I don't wanna do the thing. I don't wanna have you, baby. I just wanna have a fling. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Yeah. Tell me what you wanna do. Give me everything you got. I just wanna try to get you in the mood. I just wanna hit your spot. I wanna get low. Wanna get low. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Ooh. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Right before I go, that's the time that I'm gonna show all the crazy things that I'm gonna do to you, baby. Ooh. I want you to make me uncomfortable. Wow. The only thing I need tonight, you're gonna give it to me right. Give me everything that you got to give. Baby, show me the light. Wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Now I wanna go downstairs, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy.
Board does not have to pay me. I can promote Jamaica for myself, because as a Jamaican, I don't think nobody needs to pay me to promote it. So listen, you see when we're there foreign, I'm telling you, Jamaica is a decompress. Okay? You don't have to have no whole heap of money. You don't have to be all chasing in the rat race and depend the, you know, the hamster wheel. This is Melanie at 8 o'clock in the morning. Me, mommy?
Yeah.
This is Kai at 8 in the morning. Oi! Then that me say. So where different? This is 8 in the morning. These people, and these are not Jamaican people, are all millions and millions of dollars and rich and famous. This is regular Jamaican people who live here. Them houses are right across the street. They walk over here, they swim. Clean beach, pretty sand, soft sand, and you can see to the bottom of the water. Not even in Florida. In Florida, we can't even see to the bottom of the water, no matter how pretty the beach is. Plus, I tell them. So I'm say, it's 8 in the morning. I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? camera on the view.
No, I'm doing it.
What a nice.
Don't push back. Oh. Don't push back. Oh. Don't push back. Oh. Don't push back. Don't push back. Oh. Don't push back. Oh. Don't push back. Don't push back. Conscience under pressure.
That view here is super. Watch that view here. That eat from that view here, right? Spin around the camera. Watch the view. Oh. Alright, now getting the food in now. You can't see.
Like curry.
Oh.
Good for you.
Yeah, but I don't like how.
Pull it closer to you, mommy.
This one is nice.
Pull it closer to you.
No, it's fine.
Jamaica and Jamaicans and feel like I'm in Jamaica. It's just like if I go to Canada or if I go to the UK or if I go to Nicaragua or Venezuela or Dominican Republic, I want to be surrounded by the locals and I want to be surrounded by authentic, real, that culture. You understand? So it's nothing against being around Americans. I love America. I live here. I got a lot of great stuff going on in America for me, for my children, for my family. But when it comes to Jamaica and I'm there, I want to be at the beaches where very few people go. Very few people know about these spots. And this was one of them. I encourage you when you're in Jamaica to truly explore the island. If you're staying at an all-inclusive, that's fine. But I don't think you're going to get Jamaica inside of a all-inclusive. You're still going to get an experience, but the real authentic Jamaican experience in seeing the true beauty of this island is outside of a resort. You know, I've been rambling on for a minute. I'll keep on rambling on. Keep watching the beautiful scenery. Keep listening to what's being said in the video. I taped a lot of this video with no sound on my microphone, and I thought my microphone was on. Guys, this is to tell you how relaxed I was, how happy I was, and caught up in the moment I was. I wasn't even on point. I didn't even remember to turn on the microphone when I was recording. I was so excited, low-key, I picked up the camera and I just started recording. And I was like, over here we have this, and over here we have that. And when I went to go edit the video, I realized there was no there was no sound. So now I'm doing this voiceover, trying to fill the gaps of the video where there was no sound. So bear with me and enjoy the ride. All right.
I have mine too. Very good.
Alright, here.
Who's the pepper?
His.
Me. Ooh, nice pepper, thank you. For sure.
Okay. I'm just gonna leave this here until you guys finish. Yes.
You want this eye?
I want you to take out the straws. Okay, straws.
Best Auntie Cutie carry some of my pepper with me. I made pepper with everything.
One, two. Pagkamashu. Mommy, where are those chopsticks for?
The straw. Here, you want one
Thank
here.
you.
I wish I could give you up, but you're my new favorite drug. Enter into my blood, run with my toxic love. Look how you make me happy. You take a hold of me. You take a hold of me. I wish I could give you up, but you're my new favorite drug. Enter into my blood, run with my toxic love. Look how you make me happy.
Let me see, we've been here since 8, right?
Trying to step on a brick.
Yeah, we swim
Step
and 8.
Step also.
And now we're about to go jump on the road again. Beautiful scenery. That place, sir. Right, sir. Get there. Get there. Get there. Right there. If you're ever in Jamaica, man, I'm telling you, take the family, come this way. Yeah? Alright.
We broke the back. Yay, 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 yay. We broke the back. I broke my back.
Hi, Munchie.
Hi.
Hi, Papa.
Hi.
Hi, babe.
Hi.
Step on
Hi, Cutie.
break the business back.
Nigga, she's officially
Step on.
I'm officially setting. Rebecca kick me up. Well, I ate some food just now. Listen. That was a healthy portion. My belly is out this world now. So now if we go drive and stay awake, might be a problem. You know, sir, me sound relaxed and everything. Me no bun no split or nothing, you know. Me just feel pressureless. I think floating in that water did a good job. Like take off all the compression off of your joints and stuff. Yeah. Yeah. To lay in that water and just float and be like, yeah, man. Well, alright. I'll get ready for the bill now. And once the bill gets here, we're out of here. That's it. This is my view though. That's inside. For those who are going to ask if they have a bar, fully stocked. Dining. And the lookout from here. Wanna define the bathroom?
Yeah. I think they decided the bathroom. Yes.
Just go straight and then turn by your left.
Your car, Malani?
Oh, no. I'm a
Car up in there. Just chill.
Every step you
No, nothing. Just put on the clothes and something one time.
wish I could give you up, but you're my new favorite drug. Enter into my blood, run with my toxic love. Look how you make me happy. You take a hold of me. You take a hold of me. I wish I could give you up, but you're my new favorite drug. Enter into my blood, run with my time.